Hi, I'm Lawrence Stridell.
And I'm Charlotte Stridell, and we're with Winter's Window Tint in Rockville, Maryland.
I've been tinting for 25 years. However, this shop, my shop, is celebrating our 20th anniversary in this location. And from here, we have tinted over 30,000 cars in that time frame.
Let me tell you what makes our business so special. This business has been in business for 20 years. We're always in the forefront of tint technology. But, we also do paint protection, which was a product that we brought in about 12 years ago. And now we also offer exterior windshield protection. So we're passionate not only about new cars and our clients' new cars, but also new products that we can offer in addition to the standard products that we offer here.
To have the best experience possible at Winners, you don't need to know anything about window film to get window film. We'll walk you through the choices, the reasons to get window film. After all, window film cools down the interior of your car, blocks UV rays, provides privacy. There's lots of reasons to get window film, and we are here to help you pick out the right film for you.
If you need automotive window tint and automotive paint protection, come see us at Winter's Window Tint.